For short turnaround, my husband is having surgery this morning and is coaching his basketball team this evening in a very big game. So we're excited. That's very surprising to me, but they assure him as long as he remains calm and is cool and collected that he can coach his game tonight, the same day of surgery, which is unbelievable.
About 11 years ago, I had a basketball injury that just treated at the time with some pain medication, and it went away. I was younger. Then after the hurricanes, after we came back from the hurricane this year, just all of a sudden I was in really severe pain. My pain level jumped up pretty bad, and a lot of leg and nerve pain down my legs. And so after, this has been quite a process, been about 6 months since that all started.
It's been very rough on him. He's had to miss work. He has atrophy in his leg. It's tough, and it's tough to watch him go through all of that pain.
The pain in the lower back is, it's hard to describe. It's kind of almost like a constant tension. And then when you start spasming, then it gets pretty severe. Then, you know, if it's, for me, a normal day, it's somewhere between 5 and 7, and then whenever I start into spasms, we'll get up into 9s and 10s. We'll get up into nauseated, lightheaded kind of pain. The leg pain is probably worse. Because the leg pain is just, there's no relief from it. It's just constant. It's exhausting. Yeah, it's exhausting. It's hard to do much by the time you get to you're at the end of your day. To then know you're going to have a rough night sleeping because there's no comfortable position to get into. It's not fun. It's not fun.
All right, good morning.
Good morning, Don.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
I heard you have some big plans tonight.
Well, that's the hope.
All right, well, we're going to do everything we can. I expect you to be able to make your commitments, okay? So, you guys are comfortable, you understand what we're doing? We're going to make a tiny 7mm incision. We're going to go in and we're going to get into that disc right where the herniation is, and we're going to get it out with the laser. And that should fix the problem. That's what I expect. So it's all outpatient. It'll take me about an hour to do the surgery, and he'll be asleep for it, and then he'll come here, recover for about 30 minutes, and then he can go. So I expect everything to go well.
So there were a lot of issues to overcome with insurance. We really wanted this particular procedure because it would allow my husband to go back to work in a very short amount of time, and because of Dr. Deuk's credentials, and they jumped through hoops for us to make this day possible.
So the Surgery Center of Viera, we were able to work with Coach Brett's insurance, Cigna, and also Brevard County Public School System, his employer, in order to get his surgery authorized and approved. He's having a Deuk laser disc repair in his lumbar region, one level. The alternative would be a spine fusion surgery where he would be in a hospital for 2 to 3 days. Fortunately for him, he was able to have the Deuk laser disc repair and go back to work this evening. He'll be coaching in a regional basketball game for Viera High School.
I have no leg pain. I can't remember the last time I had no leg pain. And the moment I woke up, it was gone. I'm just, I could not be happier right now. I don't think I could be happier right now. Like, it's gone.
It's very emotional. The first thing he said is he didn't have pain in his leg, and I don't remember the last time he didn't.
I mean, I'm moving my foot around, like,
I know.
there's no, it's gone.
That's so awesome. Yeah, I could see it immediately on his face, like a sense of relief, and I haven't seen him like that in a long time.
Oh,
I haven't seen him not in pain in a long time.
By the end of most days, you know, I mean, I couldn't keep a thought. It hurt for, you know, hours, all day, every day. Messed with my There is no pain in my legs. Not in my butt, not in the side of my leg, not down my calf, not in my foot. It's just amazing. Dr. Deuk's my hero.
No, it was like so.
How you feeling?
Because sometimes
A little woozy, or you feel pretty good?
No, I feel pretty good. That's been months, man.
That's what we do here at Deuk Spine Institute. You had a lot of people working to make this surgery happen for you, so.
Yes, you did.
You know, the school board
Wasn't you in?
did what they needed to do to get this approved. And Coach here just had a Deuk laser disc repair, right side L5S1. He was having bad back pain going down the right leg, and he had failed conservative treatment, and he came in and we just had the Deuk laser disc repair done about 30 minutes ago. He wheeled out of the operating room. How you feeling?
I feel fantastic, Doc. I feel I can't tell you how fantastic. I have zero leg pain.
We played a great game. We came up short in a couple areas. It's a great team that we played against, so we came up short. But I'm proud of our guys, and I'm thrilled to have been. I wouldn't have been able to miss this. So I'm forever grateful to Dr. Deuk for making this possible, and for letting me do it for the first time this whole season without shooting pains down my legs. And while I'm a little uncomfortable from the surgery, this is the best I've felt in a basketball game in the whole season. And so to have some relief when you don't feel like or don't think that relief is possible, but to have the incredible amount of relief I've had in just the same day is amazing. It's just absolutely amazing. Hey, I'm Brett Fink. I'm the Vieira boys basketball proud coach at Vieira High School, and I feel great. Thank you, Dr. Deuk.